show you how a bitch go down a slide.
Hurricane Harbor is jamming day. I feel like I'm in a Coyote movie. If you don't know the Coyote movie, you may be too young. Maybe get up on this chair and dance. I may break it. Someone else might be videoing. You might see it on theirs, but I have to bring my thug nasty out. They're gonna mess around and catch me. Just you better quit it. I'm waiting on the girls right now. They're on a big ride, and I had to come put stuff up, but I told them to ride that, and then we're fixing to go into Lazy River. Yeah, it's hot out today. It's like 90 degrees, and there's wind every now and then, so it's not too bad. But it's hot, as you can see. This ain't from the water. Okay, it's from the water. I'm not sweating at all. Just kidding. Yeah, it's right. So, anyways, catch you later. Bye.